Crafting an effective study plan for TOEFL and IELTS reading. Hello, English learners. In today's video, we'll be diving deep into creating a personalized study plan to excel in the TOEFL and IELTS reading sections. We know how crucial a well-structured plan is for consistent improvement, so let's jump right in and create a roadmap for your success. A study plan isn't just a schedule, it's a strategic blueprint for your learning journey. Consistency is key when preparing for exams like TOEFL and IELTS, and a study plan ensures you maintain focus, balance various sections, and allocate time effectively. Before making a plan, self-assessment is crucial. 1. Identify your strong areas. These are topics or question types where you consistently score well. It's good to be aware of them, but your focus should be on improvement areas. 2. Pinpoint your weak areas. These are the areas where you often get questions wrong or spend too much time. Maybe you struggle with specific question types or vocabulary sections. Make a list. Breaking down your study sessions is pivotal. 1. Warm-up. Start with 5 to 10 minutes of light reading. Maybe a news article or a short story. This gets you into the English mindset. 2. Main study session. Divide this into 2 parts. 3. Focused study, 40 minutes. Concentrate on one weak area at a time. Use practice tests, study materials, or mock papers. 4. Practice tests, 20 minutes. Attempt a variety of questions, simulating the actual test environment. 5. Review and feedback. Spend the last 10 minutes reviewing mistakes. Understand why you got certain questions wrong and how to correct them in the future. 1. Active learning. This is when you're fully engaged, like when doing practice tests or exercises. Aim for 60% of your study time here. 2. Passive learning. This is indirect learning. Maybe you're listening to English podcasts, reading English magazines, or watching English movies. This reinforces vocabulary and sentence structure. Allocate 40% of your study time here. As you progress, your strengths and weaknesses might shift. Regularly reassess your progress every 2 weeks. Adjust your study plan accordingly, focusing on newer weak areas while consolidating strengths. Remember, the journey to mastering the TOEFL and IELTS reading sections is not about cramming but understanding and strategy. With a solid study plan in hand, you're setting yourself up for success. We hope this video guide helps pave your way to your desired scores. Happy studying and best of luck!